19,840 to 19,900 is important resistance, and we are tracking this level for more than 2 weeks now. If you not yet watched the previous videos, have a look into it, and I have placed them in Nifty Analysis playlist. We analyze this level when Nifty trades around 19,650 levels. As of now, the price moves as we expected, and our view also not changed. So what's next? Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 18th October and Nifty is trading around 19,717. On October 10th, I have posted that when Nifty trades around 19,650, the price may reach 19,840 to 19,900 zone. If you see the chart, see this is the level 19,840. See the resistance. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times the price has been touched this level and facing the resistance. I have already informed how I get this number because this C is 100% of wave A distance. Okay, if you are a newcomer to this channel, I'll show it again. By calculating this A wave, 100% comes to 19,820 odd levels, and there is a gap zone. When combining these two factors, we analyze that 19,840 is a good resistance, and if it moves higher, 19,900 levels could be a resistance. This is for our expectation, and the prices moves as we expected. So what's next now? See, our initial idea is this is A and this is B, and the price should move in C wave. This is our expectation. And if you see, this price are moving in a sideways pattern. Until it breaks, we cannot decide whether the C has started or still we are in an uptrend. So this is the level. So 19,660, what is this low? 19,668. Okay, 19,660 levels. If the price breaks, we may assume that the C wave has been started. Okay. If we go a lower time frame, 15 minutes. Okay. If you see, this can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, a possible wave 3. Okay. We can expect a wave 4 here, wave 5 to settle at this bottom or can break. If we find a 5 wave, we can assume that this is wave 1 of C has been started downside. Okay, if we calculate the distance of wave 3, wave 1 from wave 2, the price exactly got support at 2.236 levels of wave 1. I'm assuming it is a wave 1 now. Okay. If it is wave 3, we are moving in wave 4. So how far the wave 4 may come? You can get some clues from wave 2. So I think it is a deep wave. See. It's more than 61.8% distance. So we may expect a shallow wave 4. That is 23% to 38.2% of wave 3 distance. If you see, the price has been crossed 23%, so probably the price will face resistance at 19,735 zone, and may price come lower to complete the 5th wave. And if it does so, it can be wave 1 of larger C. These are expectations, not recommendations, right? In a hourly time frame, if you see, the price are still in a sideways movement. See, it can be one more sideways also. So we cannot decide when the price in sideways. By going into lower time frame, we are getting an idea that it can be a wave 1 of C, and in wave 1 it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 waves forms a wave 1 of bigger C. Got it? So this is the viewpoint now. Okay, here you have one more option. Actually, if you see Nifty closed today around 19,670. Actually, before posting the video, I just reanalyzed the Nifty chart. Is there any other possibility for sharing the related concepts? If you watch this, while recording the video, the Nifty was trading around this zone. Okay. I expected and I informed this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this fourth may reject around 735 zone, right? That 38.2, the 38.2 distance, that is 19,735. It is rejected at just at 10 points lower. Okay, now 19,726. Okay, just 9-10 points out. So since the wave 2 is deep, wave 4 is shallow. Okay, the thing is, the price is moving as expected. So my initial primary count is this. This is the wave 1 of the bigger correction. But looking at few other stocks, some stocks are in wave 4 and they are yet to complete the wave 5. So if the Nifty falls from here, if the retracement itself, in this retracement itself, those stocks should complete its 5th wave, most probably. Okay, if not, what is the option? I give you one more option of bullish standpoint. Okay, this is an alternate view. Primary view is down, but this is an alternate. Have it. This is A, this is B, and this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, A, B, C. This can be a flat. This is A, B, C 3, A, B, C 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be a 3, 3, 5, which can be a flat correction. Okay, that is C may be complete at this level. Again, one more option of going to 19,880. Okay, in that case, it can be A, B, and C. C have a 5 wave. A, B, C has a flat structure. Okay, let confirm with the fib numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very big 4. Yes, I understand. But since other stocks, many stocks have a lost leg is pending, we can have it as a one more option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. The 4th we have reached. %50. Yes, it is acceptable. Okay, if it is bullish stance, how far it can go? Our expectation is 19,880 as per the retracement of this entire wave. Okay, this retracement. If any fib relationship with the same number, we can get a confluence point. Usually we get the 5th wave target by using the fib numbers, that is from taking the distance of 0 to, that is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 0 to 3, and calculating from 4th wave a distance of 38 to 61%. Okay, see this. This 61.8 level comes exactly around 19,880 level. So this is a confluence point now. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we need to check this bounce. If the price moves above this level, a 19,880 may be possible. And this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the C wave may start. But if the moves goes in 3 waves and start declining, maybe you can take this level of 61.8 retracement level. If the price crosses 19,775 zone in this bounce, 19,775, that is a higher possibility of the price may reach to 19,880 and we may start the C wave correction. But the price moves until 19,775 or 19,750 and rejection comes and the price comes down. We assume that this is wave 1, 2 and the third wave has started in C wave. These are the options now. Hope you understand. If the C wave has been started, how far this correction may go? If you look on bigger picture, see, this is 5 waves, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The correction is not even reached 38%. We discussed this in last video. It just completed wave A in 23% and a B and C may come to 18,900. We already discussed that after a 5 wave completion, the correction may come to 50% to 61.8%. But the more important point is, these 5 waves are third wave or first wave or fifth wave of bigger time frame. We need to confirm that. If the 5 waves are part of third wave, the ensuing correction is just a fourth wave of bigger time frame. So we may expect only 38%. Okay. And also in bigger picture, I'm expecting this kind of movement. This is a weekly time frame. Okay. So right from 2020. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it seems to be like an ending pattern. And if this correction may comes up to this support, the top of wave A, this comes to around 19,900 odd levels. If this level not gets supported, then only we can expect 18,480 levels or 500. So initial support is 18,900. Okay, this is what I'm expecting now. If 5 waves are visible in lower time frame, this could be probably the wave 1 of bigger C. Okay, and if C started to unfold, we can expect a correction till 18,900 first level, because we are not expecting a deeper correction, because we are in a longer time frame, we are looking this kind of pattern. So probably the price gets support here and move higher. I will say this point again. Whenever a 5 wave has been completed, don't think that this fall could definitely come to 60% to 61.8% retracement, because in a broader wave count, we need to think what this internal 5 waves take part in bigger time frame. So if it is wave 1, if these 5 waves are wave 1, we can expect 50 to 61 point. If this 5 wave is a wave 3, we expect 38%, because of we are expecting a fourth wave. If it is the fifth wave of larger 5 wave structure, we need to take a bigger correction even below this point. These are some understanding the wave counts. Okay. For example, okay, if you take in Nifty, this is what I'm expecting in larger time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this fifth wave, it can be A, B, C, D, E. So I'm expecting a shallow fourth wave. So this fourth wave may get support at this point, and it is also a 38.2 retracement, which is 18,899. That is, we roughly take 18,900. If this level not support, we may expect next fib level of 18,500. These are all assumptions based on the current wave structure. I'll show an example in Dr. Reddy. See, daily chart. Okay. See, we have a 5-wave structure here. Okay. And the price is moving from this point. We are not expecting a 50% to 61 point retracement. Why? Because if we take a longer structure, see, this is wave 1 and wave 2, and in wave 3, this entire portion is wave 3. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, right? If these 5 waves are part of wave 3, the upcoming correction is just a wave 4, and wave 4 retracement will be 38.2% to 50% retracement. Okay. If you see a second wave, it is fast and deep. So we may expect a shallow ABC and 38.2% of retracement. See this. After reaching 38.2%, the price is moving higher and breaking the channel. You understand? So if you see 5 waves, don't expect all the corrections to come to 50 to 61.8%. On bigger wave structure, you have to analyze what that 5 internals are. Okay. If it is wave 1, you can expect 50 to 61. If it is wave 3, you expect 38 to 50 because it is wave 4. If it is wave 5, then the upcoming corrections will be much, much bigger because that last 5 internals are part of bigger 5th wave. I hope you understand this concept. Okay, we just saw the Nifty update, and now we focus on Bank Nifty update. See again, okay, the view not yet changed. I will explain again. So if it is wave 5 completion, the price have gone lower to this zone. So it can be an irregular correction. This is what the thought process. And this irregular correction can go to 138.2% to 1.618 levels of wave A. And if we check that, the price exactly faced resistance at 1.382%. So this example we have seen here. If you not yet watched the previous Nifty analysis video, kindly watch it. It will be highly helpful in your Elliott wave trading. So this is what expectation. In last week also, we expected that the Nifty Bank may fall straight away from this point. Even we had an option of Nifty to go one more higher, but not in the case of Bank Nifty. It happened today. So no change in view now. So this could be wave 1, wave 2, and the price needs to cross below this lower point to confirm this viewpoint. Okay. And few has been commented and in both Twitter and also on YouTube that why it cannot be an expanding triangle. The reason is expanding triangles coming in ending pattern is very rare scenario. Until it happens, we cannot decide. But irregular corrections, that is irregular flat, is a common thing at the end of the corrections. So that's the viewpoint. So that's the only reason. That is the only reason I have take this as irregular flat, because expanding ending diagonal is a rare pattern. One more rare pattern is a running flat. The C wave low will not break below the A wave low. Okay, these rare patterns you cannot forecast before itself until it happens. So that's the reason I took it as irregular flat. So okay, so if this low breaks, we can assume that the correction has been started. So this is the midweek Nifty and Bank Nifty update. And one more thing I want to share that a few weeks before we have informed that Nifty will make a new high, but Bank Nifty will not. It has happened, and we have discussed that. And in 1 or 2 weeks before, I have informed that the small cap may move higher. That is, the small caps may make a new high, but Nifty will not make a new high, so that it will create a intermarket divergence. And if you see that, if you see small cap, see, the small caps have made a new high today, but Nifty is still in B wave. This is what I expected and informed to you, and we discussed 2 weeks before. This is the post I posted on 17th October, that is yesterday, regarding the small cap and Nifty divergence. See, first expected Nifty to make new high, but not the Bank Nifty, and it happened. I will show the chart in few minutes. And it results in intermarket divergence, and you can see a price correction in Nifty. Again expected, small caps may make a new high, but not the Nifty, and it may create an intermarket divergence, and it did today. Okay, if you see, this is for the first intermarket divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are viewing my videos for the past 1 or 2 months, you could remember this, or if you are new to our channel, kindly see the Nifty analysis videos. In one of the video, I shared that Nifty will make a new high, but Bank Nifty will not make a new high. That will result in an intermarket divergence, and it will create a correction. This is what we expected, and this is happened. I will just post a few second video which I speak about small cap and Nifty. While the broader markets, small caps make a new high, Nifty possibly move in wave B, right? That is what our expectations. In this case, if it happens in same way, this will create an intermarket divergence, as we just saw before in the earlier part of this video, the intermarket divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here, the divergence between broader markets and Nifty, that is, broader markets making a new high, higher high, and Nifty making a lower high. And this is what happened now. If you see, Nifty has not made a new high, but the small cap has made a new high today. This is what we expected, and it happened today. So what this means is, this will create an intermarket divergence. Intermarket divergence means all the indices should move in similar way, in both uptrend and downtrend. If you see, this small cap is making a new high, but the Nifty is making a lower high, or not yet made a new high, this create a intermarket divergence. Okay, how it resolved means, the Nifty should follow the small cap by making a new high. So both the indices will look similar, that is, new highs, or the small cap will come down to conform with the Nifty, so the intermarket divergence will be sorted out by all the indices moving downside. So this is how the intermarket divergence will be sorted out, and we need to watch what will happen. But the clue here is, we are already expecting Nifty to come down lower. These divergences are happening in top, so possibly the price movement could be lower. So this is what expectation. So yes, we have saw Nifty, Bank Nifty, and intermarket divergence update. Hope you like this video. Again, all these are not recommendations. If you like my work, kindly subscribe the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and fellow traders. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.